Hi everyone and welcome back to Homeheadchef. Today we're going to be making an applewood smoked chicken. Smoking chicken is one of my favorite ways to do it. We're going to do it with the whole chicken. I'm going to teach you how to spatchcock it, and we're going to make a very simple rub to go on the inside and the outside. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need one whole chicken, a fourth a cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of oregano, and some salt. We're going to start by combining all of our ingredients for our rub together, and we're going to mix this up thoroughly. Now to spatchcock a chicken is to remove the backbone, and we're going to flatten it out so that way we have more surface area that the heat can get to, which is going to allow it to cook a lot quicker. We're going to start by flipping it over, breast side down. You want to get yourself a nice pair of kitchen shears, and you're going to just take them right up the edge of the backbone, right next to the thigh, right through here, and just cut it out on both sides and remove it. Now that you have the backbone removed, we're going to flip it over. We're going to spread it out. You want to give a nice firm press right here in between the breast, just to pop that chest bone. Give it a little pull, and there you go. Now we're going to take all of our rub, we're going to season all on the outside, rubbing it into all the nooks and crannies because we want that flavor everywhere. And we're going to flip it over as well. Get the inside. And then we're going to wrap this and place this in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to marinate a little bit. And we're going to place it on our smoker that's set at 225. Now we're going to place our chicken breast side up, right on the grates. And we're going to let this go for about 3 hours, but we're going to come back and check on it every hour. We are putting the chicken on the Pit Boss Classic wood pellet. We're running it at 225 with their apple wood chips. Alright, we're 3 hours in. Let's get a temp. It's looking good. We're at 137. We're going to go about another hour. We'll see you then. Let's give her a temp. She looks amazing. Oh, we're good. Now we're going to take this in. We're going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now you want to let this rest for about 10 minutes. And the reason why you want to do that is just to let those juices relax and absorb back into the meat so that way you have juicy chicken. Now let's cut into this and get a taste. We go with a little bit of breast meat. Oh man, that fat is rendered down perfect. Get a little bit of dark meat to try that as well. Perfect. All right. Start with the white meat. That's good. Really good. The seasoning's all the way through from letting it rest and marinate. It's really good. Best part of the skin. I'm gonna save that for after I try the dark meat. It's glistening. It's really nice. It's just falling apart. It's so juicy. It's tender. The rub complements it very well. If you like what we're doing, don't forget you can check us out on Facebook at Homeheadchef. Hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe. You can also check out my hunting and fishing channel. I'll drop a link below. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.